Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to create a Tumblr account. Tumblr is an American microblogging and social networking website, and it allows users to post multimedia and other content to a short-form blog. Users can follow other users' blogs, and bloggers can also make their blogs private in Tumblr. In order to sign up for Tumblr, they'll open your web browser first. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in www.tumblr.com and press the enter on the keyboard. So after you do that, go and click on the sign up button. From the official website, if you already have an account, you can simply click on the login button and enter your credentials, and click on the next button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Click on the email text field and type in a valid email address that you'd like to use for your Tumblr account. Soon after you do that, move on to the next field and type in a password for your account. You can double-check your password by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner, and once you're sure you've typed in the correct one, go ahead and enter a blog name on the next build. After you're done, click on Sign Up. While creating a blog name, make sure that the name includes letters, numbers, and dashes. After you're done, typing your age in the box. Now, click on I've read, understand, and agree to the template's terms of services, and click on Next. After you do that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. Go ahead and click on your choices, and Tumblr will get you content from your choices. You can pick up to 5 categories. You can add the categories that you like or remove some by clicking on them. After you're done, click on the next button at the upper right corner, or you can skip this step for now and do it later as well. After clicking on the next button, you'll be able to see that you've created an account for yourself. You'll receive content on your news feed according to the choices you've made before. That is how you can easily create a Tumblr account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.